Welcome to another tutorial for Workshop Software. Today we're talking about public bookings. The public booking feature in Workshop Software allows customers to see days you're available and make a request. Keep in mind this doesn't automatically enter them into your diary. This gives you a request to select a time and day and then send them the confirmation, which would add it then into your diary. First, let's set up the settings. Let's go to Settings and then Public Booking. This will be your URL that you can share with customers or have linked in your website or your Instagram and so on. Next, customize your appointment types. We already have two in here by default, and you can double click to edit them or delete. Select how long you would estimate this takes, the name of the job that you'd like to offer them, and feel free to turn on any of these options here. You can tell that all of these are actually the same options we have on the vehicle page for reminders. So for example, this is a service, I can turn on next service item and save. If I'd like to create a new appointment type, simply press the plus. The next thing is to say how much time is available on your diary for customers. I recommend all new workshops using Workshop Software, try it out on 60%. So once your calendar is 60% booked up for a day, it will stop allowing customers to make requests for that day. You can even set a specific number of hours per day instead. If you're using a reminder system, add this link into the email reminders. Or for text, since it's quite long and you might not have enough characters, simply turn on Send Link in Reminders. This will follow up the reminder text with a link to book in. Lastly, add your logo and customize your colors. Let me show you an example of what that web page looks like, just by copying and pasting. So here we have the ability to select an appointment type. Then the customer would have to fill in all the required details. And don't worry, even though it doesn't have required on the name sections, that's because the customer can fill in either the company or the first and last name. They'll then be able to select a day to book in. They'll then be able to select a day to make a request, if a day is available. Like this. Let's put a request in. So as soon as the customer has filled in their details and selected a day, they get informed that they'll receive a text or email once it's confirmed. Now back in my Workshop Software, on my booking diary and my dashboard, I have a banner telling me I have a request that needs approval. I can simply click on that banner and I can press the magnifying glass to view the request. It's noticed it's a new vehicle and a new customer. It'll inform you if it's an existing vehicle and customer, so you know they're returning. All you have to do next is confirm the day and time. You also have the option of specifying which mechanic is going to be doing it. And then press approve. Here, because the customer selected SMS, you can send the text straight away with the template that's pre-filled in your messages page in settings. Or you can approve without sending. Maybe you've just spoken to them on the phone, so you don't need to text them. And that's it. Just like that, we have on the 29th, the job booked in, ready for me to assign to a mechanic. I hope that helped, and stay tuned for more tutorials.